Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, it's jacobcrypobury here. I hope you're doing fantastic despite the bloodbath in the market at the moment. Just want to quickly announce my $100 giveaway, so head over to my Twitter page down below to enter that today. Super easy to do, just got to retweet, like and subscribe to the channel. So we're going to talk about today Harmony 1 and why actually I think this presents quite a bullish opportunity, even though we could still see more capitulation to the downside. Now, Harmony 1 is rank 87 with $825 million market capital. We can see actually it's been one of the best performers. You know, retrospectively looking at 2021, we saw some huge growth, but so far in 2022 it's been a little bit of a disappointer. So looking at what's going on really in the market, since we had this double top position, all we have seen is a big downtrend. We've been below the bull market support band for a very long time, just getting rejection upon rejection. So we're putting through constant lower highs and lower lows at the same time, but this does really remind me of this summer of 2021, where we saw a huge impulse to the upside following a very similar bearish scenario. We saw a 585% pump to the upside, and even looking at the daily time frame, we can see we're even more oversold than ever. We actually came down to about 19 on the RSI for this particular altcoin, which is the lowest it's ever been for a whole 2 years. So what I'm also seeing looking at this daily time frame is, you know, we did lose a key area of support at $0.084, but we didn't quite come down to our lower levels of 0.053 just yet. So what could potentially happen? Well, lots of volatility and uncertainty in the market, guys. We've got to wait for Bitcoin to do its thing at the moment, because just quickly heading over to Bitcoin, if we do have a look at what might actually happen with it, you know, we can still see a lot more continuation to the downside. We've lost some big areas of support. I mean, we're back up to 31.8k. We came all the way from 29.7k. So much volatility in the market right now. And luckily for some, we didn't actually go lower than the 2021 levels, but if we do drop below 29.2 and even 28.5k, that critical level, we will see this 20 to 27.5k Bitcoin price play out. So just be wary that this could potentially happen depending on what crypto decides to do. This could easily be another dead cat bounce. Now, what I do think will happen on this particular scenario is because basically if we use our fib extension, it's going to show us some key areas of support and resistance. So the 0.12 is clearly going to be a big area of resistance for us, but I think very much as well the 0.11 for Harmony 1. It does look like we've pretty much seen all of the downside play now, for at least for now. And if we look at the market cycle top, we've corrected just below the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement, which does also make me feel bullish. So this could be the market just setting up for a very long reaccumulation phase. Now it could even drop lower, you know, through the August, maybe something like that. It could even do this through to next year. This should hopefully play out like this, where we see much higher price levels in the future. We get that accumulation phase, because when we look at the accumulation phase, that's when it takes us up to these more realistic targets, such as the 1.272, you know, the 1.41 Fibonacci, the 1.618, and this is the way it's done. We ride the bear markets for 1 or 2 years, and then we see that big boom to the upside. We don't want to see just another pump to the upside, which would be followed by an immediate dump, you know, something like this, and then again the market just tumbles. It just tumbles and it just keeps tumbling. That would be very unhealthy. We wouldn't really see a good fair value for Harmony 1. I do think looking long term, we need to stay, you know, pragmatic. We need to not get too greedy too soon. Looking at the 15-minute time frame over here for Harmony 1, it does look like we're getting some nice consolidation at this particular level. So if we just quickly take a zoom in, you know, we've got almost like an ascending channel right here. I think if we can hold this particular consolidation pattern, we might see a little break out to the upside, trying to at least retest the $0.083 level. If we lose this little rising channel that we have got on this 15-minute time frame, we may come back down to the 0.06 support level, or some lower swings, basically because there's so much volatility. We don't know what's going on with Bitcoin right now. So stay crypto safe. Make sure you dollar cost average. If you want to grab some Harmony 1 today, use the link at the top of my description. It's very easy to do. SciSec FCA accredited exchange, one of the safest that you can potentially do as well. So what has actually happened in the market right now? Bitcoin down 17.2% on the weekly market cap. We've got Ethereum down 14.9% on the weekly market cap. Day 1.8k Bitcoin, 2.4k Ethereum. So Ethereum is actually holding out pretty well. Extreme fear in the market, some of the most fear we've seen in a very, very long time. Even if we zoom out a year ago, you know, the last time we were here, it was January 2022. Even when we look at Max, you know, this is some of the most fearful scenarios we've ever had. But the good thing is we're seeing this level of fear with a much, much higher price Bitcoin than we've ever had in any other Bitcoin cycle. So it does look very good. Extreme fear can represent buying opportunities, so always remember that, guys. If you like this content, make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below, let me know what you want to see in the future. Make sure you also come into the Discord channel, say hello. We've got about 250 people in here at the moment, and don't forget to enter the Twitter giveaway. Much love, bye guys.